Hello everyone. I am hoping that you have digested, you have completed this chapter comfortably, and if you have any doubt, then you can message me, you can call me, you can solve your doubt, you can clear your doubt by contacting me. Okay? But I am going to give you explanation of the previous class homework also. So after that you will not have any kind of doubt related with this chapter. Students, the first question is, what does the third level refer to? And here I have given you the hint also, medium of escape from present. And when you will explain, when you will write the answer, the appropriate answer will be, the answer is, the third level refers to a medium of escape from the present, full stop. After that you will write Charlie is very much in fear to see the harsh reality, competitive world and the violent environment of 1944. And he wants to escape from this harsh reality of the present time. So he develops the imagination in his mind of third level, and for him that third level is a medium of escape. Like this way you can complete your answer. Don't copy my answer. Okay, just take hint and write. The next question is, what do you infer from Sam's letter to Charlie? सैम के लेटर का चार्ली के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंस था, यही इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब है. कीप 2 to 3 पॉइंट्स इन योर माइंड. फर्स्ट, Sam's letter to Charlie is a very twisting point of the story. That letter creates lots of confusion that how Sam is in third level. But when you will think little about this condition, then you will find that Sam is enjoying his desirable business, and he is motivating Charlie to do this kind of business, to enjoy his wish. Charlie wants to escape from the harsh reality of the present world, and he wants to live comfortably. And Sam's letter is motivating Charlie to search the third level, looking for the third level, and enjoy the rest of the life. Students, this question may be in long answer as well as in short answer. If that will be in long answer, then you will explain this basic fact what I have told you, and if it is in a short answer question, there is enough, at least 2 to 3 lines are enough for short answer question. Okay, next, the third question is, the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry and stress. This is the third question. What are the ways in which we attempt to overcome them? आपको इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में कुछ ऐसा लिखना है. You will have to write the psychological relief and the things what can give you relaxation. ऐसी चीजों के बारे में लिखना है जो आपको रिलैक्सेशन देता हो. ठीक है. And here I have given you the hint. Using these things like reading books, gaming, music, playing, exercise, yoga, okay, social connectivity will help you to stay out of this kind of psychological problem like insecurity, fear, war, worry and stress. Okay. Even I have given you the special class on stress, anxiety and depression, in which I have asked a question and you were doing yes and no kind answer. I hope you will remember that and you will do that. Okay, this answer is not so difficult. Next is, do you see an intersection of time and space in the story? इसका मतलब होता है कि समय और स्थान का परिवर्तन क्या आप देखते हैं स्टोरी में? Yes, it is clearly visible. The mind of a protagonist Charlie is traveling into the different time and enjoying the different places in the virtual world. For Charlie, the virtual world, the third level, the world of 1894, is the medium of escape from the harsh reality of the present world, and Charlie was able to travel that kind of time travel. So the intersection of time and the space is clearly highlighted in this story, and it's one of the most major theme of the story. See, I have given you that thing as a theme. See here, intersection with a time and illusion. This is one of the major theme of the story. Okay, so this answer is almost done. Next, I have given you fact based answer. If you will read the chapter, you will be able to do this kind of things, this kind of question. First is, why did Charlie meet psychiatrist? Charlie met psychiatrist to remove the doubts of the third level. Charlie had visited in third level of Grand Central Railway Station, but no one was ready to believe his experience. So clear the doubt, he met psychiatrist Sam. Next is, what is a first day cover? First day cover means, when a new stamp issued in the post office, the stamp collectors buy some and use that kind of stamps using the mail. Okay, the post office send the new kind of stamp to the registered people, the people who collect stamp, and that kind of sending mail is called first day cover. I have explained this first day cover in my last lecture also. Third question is, why was Charlie lost in GC station? How was Charlie lost in GC station? Charlie's action you will have to explain. Okay, Charlie had went to the Grand Central Railway Station hundred of times. However, he was always lost in that stations, because that station for Charlie is like a new sprouting branches of the tree. So he is regularly confused. Once he entered a tunnel and came out of a lobby. Okay, and he just reached into the third level of that station. Okay, next question is, how did Charlie reach the third level? Charlie third level में पहुंचता कैसे है? This is the question. Okay, Charlie had been on that day when Charlie lost in the third level. On that day, Charlie had been late to his office. He desired to reach home early. He wanted to reach home early, so he went to the Grand Central to catch the train, and he lost in the corridor. And when he came in the different place, he was in the third level. So by this way he reached the third level of Grand Central. How did Charlie learn that his friend Sam had reached Galesburg of 1894? Yeah, it's a very tricky question. Charlie discovered the first day cover in his stamp collection. It was addressed to his grandfather at his Galesburg address, and in that, unexpectedly, Charlie found a letter dated July 18, 1894, and that letter was written by Sam, and that letter was written to the name of Charlie. And when Charlie read that letter, he confirmed that Sam was living in Galesburg of 1894. Next question is the long answer question. Discuss the importance of Sam letter to Charlie. This is a very important question. Students, this question is I think one of the most important question of the story. Charlie is the protagonist of the story, and he has experienced the third level. Okay, and his third level experience, he has shared the third level experience with Sam, the psychiatrist. And when Sam comes to know that Charlie had experienced the third level of Grand Central Railway Station, then Sam also started to search the relief and the comfort in his life. And to enjoy life, Sam just changed his business and he disappeared from the modern time. Modern time means the modern lifestyle. Okay, and he just set his new kind of business, and from that place he writes Charlie, and in his letter he motivates Charlie by giving the date of old time. Okay, and he motivates Charlie to search the Galesburg of 1894 and enjoy the rest life in peaceful world. So Sam's letter is very important and turning point of the story, which reveals the climax of the story, in which the final conclusion comes that we must be in the search of peace and relaxation in our life. And last question is the character sketch of Charlie. I will leave this question on your understanding. Okay, I hope you have understood this chapter perfectly. In my next class I will start with a very fresh chapter. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Enjoy.